Israel is in the headlines a lot these days. There's a lot of talk of everything going on in Jerusalem with the Temple Mount. There are actually plans to rebuild the temple in Jerusalem. What are we to think about this as Christians? What does the Bible have to say? In Romans 11, Paul says, "Lest you be wise in your own sight, I do not want you to be unaware of this mystery, brothers. A partial hardening has come upon Israel, until the fullness of the Gentiles has come in. And in this way, all Israel will be saved. As it is written, the deliverer will come from Zion. He will banish ungodliness from Jacob, and this will be my covenant with them, when I take away their sins." Is this what we're seeing today? Has the fullness of the Gentiles come in? Are we about to see a mass revival with the rebuilding of the temple? Or is Paul talking about something else here? How does this passage relate to the church? How does this passage relate to you? How do all the Old Testament prophecies of Israel's restoration into the land relate to the church and to you? If these are questions you have, you should come join us on November 9th, where we're going to look at Romans 9 through 11. Paul begins Romans 9 with the declaration that it is not as though the word of God has failed, and he concludes the section in Romans 11 stating that all Israel will be saved in fulfillment of Old Testament prophecy. There'll be plenty of time for discussion, so come with your questions. We'll see you there.